When creating a video, one of the most important elements is communicating your brand's identity, and the most effective way to do that is by inserting your logo. But how it animates onto the screen can say as much about your brand as the content that follows. Logo reveal templates make it incredibly easy to create branded animations for your videos. Here are the 10 best logo reveals for 2019. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find a link in the description. Number 10. Consider your logo the result of a misguided invention? This could be the logo reveal for you. Set in a science lab, your logo is revealed as an experiment gone wrong. After it cracks through the glass in a haze of smoke, it floats to the forefront, accompanied by your brand name. It's creative and fun. Number 9. Swiss logo by PixFlow treats the logo and background as one rubbery object. It pans around slowly, showcasing the rubbery texture of the background, then eventually revealing the light-filled logo. It's beautifully animated and very effective. Number 8. This luscious logo reveal makes a work of art of light hitting the different curved angles of your logo. With a few different color options, all of them quite shiny, this beautifully glitzy logo reveal is perfect for a fashion video or to open up an exclusive event. Number 7. Epic logo by Bank508 lives up to its namesake, showing the graphite-colored ground cracking as the camera sweeps its way toward the logo that explodes onto screen. This is a great template to introduce an action film, sports video, or video game stream. Number 6. Rainbow Particles logo reveal by Sachinjoshi is vivid and cinematic. From the get-go, it presents an atmosphere of exploding color with a shiny black setting that screams class. It's seriously eye-catching. Number 5. Incredibly vibrant and colorful, this modern logo reveal is a short burst of excitement. Perfect to open a video, you'll easily set a friendly and energetic tone right from its opening seconds with this one from Fanimation. Number 4. This template offers more of a logo opener, and it's stunning. Featuring your logo in 3D and colored in decadent gold, floating around the screen as any titles you'd like to include appear, this item is a very glitzy way to open a video project. Number 3. Elegant Flame logo by Visual A is exactly what the title suggests. Showing flames on screen that flicker out to reveal your logo, it's a great introduction for something epic. The ultra-high definition brings out the details of the animation and means it can be used in the most professional of productions. And small details like the amber floating across the screen emphasize the high quality of this template. Number 2. Architect logo reveal combines a minimalistic concept with cinematic execution. It presents your logo gradually being sketched out on a grid, then transitions into 3D, showing your logo pivoting into the center of the screen. It's stunning. Number 1. Looking for a fresh, bright logo reveal pack that combines earthy textures and footage? Then Get Real Logo Bundle is for you. This great value bundle provides a selection of unique eye-catching logo reveals that cover fire, earth, sand, paint, ink, paper, candy, and forest-style themes. It's perfect for grabbing attention and exciting the eye. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best logo reveals for 2019. All the items featured are in the description below. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.